Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more home improvement tips and smart home automation ideas. Today, we're diving into some of the hottest kitchen remodel ideas for 2024. Let's get started. 1. Introduction. Kitchens are the heart of the home, and in 2024, the trends are all about blending style, functionality, and technology. Whether you're looking for a complete overhaul or just a few updates, we've got something for everyone. 2. Color schemes. First, let's talk about color schemes. This year, bold is beautiful. Deep blues, rich greens, and striking black accents are making a big splash. Pair these with warm wood tones and metallic finishes for a balanced and contemporary look. Mixing these colors can create a dynamic and inviting space that feels both modern and timeless. 3. Smart appliances. Next, let's dive into smart appliances. 2024 is all about integrating technology seamlessly into your kitchen. Think smart refrigerators that keep track of your groceries, ovens you can control with your voice, and dishwashers that optimize water usage. These appliances not only make your life easier but also help you save on energy and reduce waste. 4. Sustainable materials. Sustainability is more important than ever. Consider using eco-friendly materials like recycled glass countertops, bamboo flooring, and cabinets made from reclaimed wood. These choices are not only good for the planet but also add unique character to your kitchen. Sustainable materials are a great way to create a stylish and environmentally friendly space. 5. Multifunctional spaces. Kitchens are becoming more multifunctional. Large islands with built-in seating, prep areas, and storage are a must-have. Consider creating different zones for cooking, dining, and even working from home. These multifunctional spaces make your kitchen the perfect spot for both daily meals and entertaining guests. 6. Open shelving and glass cabinets. Open shelving and glass front cabinets are trending for 2024. They make your kitchen feel more open and airy while also giving you a chance to display your favorite dishes and decor. Just remember to keep things organized and minimal to avoid a cluttered look. 7. Statement lighting. Last but not least, let's talk about lighting. Statement lighting fixtures can transform your kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary. Think oversized pendant lights, chandeliers, and even smart lighting that you can control with your phone. Good lighting sets the mood and highlights your kitchen's best features. And there you have it, some of the top kitchen remodel ideas for 2024. Whether you're going for a complete transformation or just a few updates, these trends will help you create a kitchen that's both stylish and functional. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell for more design trends.